Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are feeling good. Today is 27 July 2020, Monday. Today we are going to start the phase 2 of our syllabus. We have discussed the phase 1 of our syllabus before the pre-send of 1. Students, as I have already described, the syllabus of the commercial geography is having two parts: the commercial geography of the world and the geography of Pakistan. In our previous lectures in phase 1, we have discussed some of the topics regarding the commercial geography of the world, and now we will discuss these topics with respect to Pakistan's economy. That's why this is known as the geography of Pakistan. Students, our today's topic is Introduction of Pakistan. This is chapter number 1 from part 2. We will discuss its question number 1. Describe the geographical importance of Pakistan. Before we discuss the commercial geography and the concepts regarding the commercial geography of the Pakistan, it's necessary to get some information about the geography of the Pakistan, because strategically Pakistan is having a very important situation geographically between the economies of the different economies, the relationship with our neighbor countries, and the political importance, the geographical importance, and the economical importance of Pakistan is very much higher as compared to the other economies. So it's necessary that firstly we will get introduction towards the geographical importance of the Pakistan, and then we will move towards the different topics regarding the commercial geography of Pakistan. So question number 1 is, describe the geographical importance of the Pakistan. Introduction. Pakistan is strategically placed at the crossroads of Asia. Pakistan came into existence in 1947 after the great struggle of the Muslim, which started in 1857 and lasted at 14th August 1947. Students, strategically means हिकमत अमली. तो पाकिस्तान एशिया के ममालिक में बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत रखता है, और हमें ये भी पता है, we have well aware about the history of Pakistan, that Muslims had a great effort, great struggle behind the getting of Pakistan. So Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947, but behind this there was a long struggle which was started in 1857. The official name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan, while Karachi remained the capital from 1947 to 1959. Pakistan is the land of the Indus River, which flows through the country for 2,500 kilometers from the Himalayas and the Karakoram Mountains to the Arabian Sea, and forms the axis of the Pakistan with its tributaries. Pakistan is also the land of the burning deserts, fertile mountains, valleys, and the irrigated plains. Pakistan covers an area of about 7,96,096 square kilometers. Location and the boundaries. Location क्या होता है कि मकाम क्या है, and boundaries are the limits or the हदूद. Pakistan is located between 61 degree east to the 77 degree east longitude and 23.5 north to 37.5 north latitude. Latitude का क्या मतलब होता है? तूल या लंबाई. Iran lies in the southwest of the Pakistan, southwest, Junub Maghreb, with the shared border of 832 kilometers, which was demarcated on 24th September 1872 by the Captain Lovett, while in the north and the northeast territory of the Sai King. In the northwest, a narrow strip of Afghanistan separates Pakistan from the Central Asia. Separates mean अलग कर देना, तकसीम कर देना. Afghanistan shared the border with Pakistan, the west, which was demarcated in 1897, and its length is 2,252 kilometers, known as the Durand Line. In the east and the southeast, Pakistan is bounded with the Indian states of Punjab, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Its length is 1600 kilometers, while Arabian Sea lies in the south of Pakistan. The coastal length is 1000 kilometers. Geographical importance. Number 1, Pakistan is situated in virtually important place by the frontiers of China, India, Afghanistan and Iran. लोकेशन के लिहाज से देखें तो पाकिस्तान की बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पोजीशन है कि ये ऐसे ममालिक से घिरा हुआ है कि जिनकी इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है. We have good relations with our neighbors, impressing day by day. Trade links with China have been established through roads known as the Shahrar-e-Resham. और इस चीज़ से हम सब वाकिफ़ हैं कि ऑल्दो के हमारे सारे नेबर्स के साथ हमारे ताल्लुकात बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन चाइना के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. और हम अपनी जो बाय रोड या जो शाहराहों के ज़रिए तिजारत चाइना से कर रहे होते हैं, तो जो रोड है पाकिस्तान और चाइना के दरमियान, इसको शाहराए-रेशम कहा जाता है. द पोजीशन ऑफ आवर कंट्री gives us an internationally important position among the Muslims and due to the ECO territory. The relationship between the Iran, Turkey and Pakistan has extended in the various fields. Various का मतलब मुख्तलिफ. Karachi is the most important port of our country, which is situated in the international sea route and provides interlink between the European countries and the Asian countries. ठीक है कि पाकिस्तान का जो सी पोर्ट है, जो पाकिस्तान का कोस्टल एरिया है, ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट लिंक प्रोवाइड करता है बिटवीन द एशियन कंट्रीज़ एंड द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़. इसीलिए किसी भी किस्म की पॉलिटिकल या स्ट्रेटेजिकल पॉलिसीज़ जब भी बनाई जाती हैं, पाकिस्तान की अहमियत को किसी सूरत में नज़रअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता, क्योंकि अगर यूरोप कोई भी रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाहता है बिटवीन द एशियन कंट्रीज़, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट हैविंग द रिलेशनशिप विद द पाकिस्तान. Pakistan has a road and the rail link with Iran and Turkey, and trade with European countries can be performed through this route. ठीक है कि हमारा जो लिंक है, रोड एंड द रेल लिंक with the Iran and Turkey, and trade with the European countries can be performed through this route. Karachi is the international airport of our country. A number of the aeroplanes of the various companies pass through this route while going from Europe to Asia and other countries. फिर वही इम्पॉर्टेंट बात आ जाती है कि हमारे जो रूट्स हैं, जो एयरपोर्ट्स हैं, ठीक है, तो जो भी ममालिक आपस में किसी भी किस्म का रब्ता करना चाहते हैं, तिजारत करना चाहते हैं, यूरोपीय ममालिक के लिए मुमकिन नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर से गुजरे बगैर वो ऐसा कर सके. लेट्स अस्यूम अगर पाकिस्तान इजाज़त नहीं देता कि आप अपने एरोप्लेन्स हमारी फ़िज़ाई हदूद के अंदर से गुजारें, तो यूरोपियन ममालिक के लिए मुमकिन नहीं है कि वो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड परफॉर्म कर सकेंगे. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान की माशाल्लाह जियोग्राफिकल इम्पोर्टेंस इतनी ज़्यादा है कि अगर मगरबी ममालिक चाहते हैं अपने आप को इस्टेब्लिश करना, दे कैन नॉट विदाउट हैविंग द गुड रिलेशनशिप्स विद द पाकिस्तान. Pakistan lies in the torrid zone except for the few northern areas that fall in the temperate zone. As the climatic conditions in Pakistan remain normal, agricultural activities can be performed throughout the year. Torrid zone, the zone having the normal or the temperate weather conditions. And if we analysis the weather conditions of Pakistan, we have come to know that माशाल्लाह यहाँ पर टेम्परेट वेदर कंडीशंस पाई जाती हैं, सिवाय कुछ इलाकों के जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी या बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है। तो थ्रू आउट द ईयर पाकिस्तान के अंदर एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ चलती रहती हैं। और ये हमें पता है, एक फसल हमारी ख़त्म होती है तो हम दूसरी शुरू कर देते हैं, दूसरी ख़त्म करते हैं तो कोई और शुरू कर देते हैं। तो ये टेम्परेट जोन में होने की वजह से या टॉरेट जोन में होने की वजह से है। और सी रूट्स रिमेन ओपन थ्रू आउट द ईयर due to the moderate temperature. It does not freeze, so the trade activities are performed in every season. ठीक है? Sea routes remains open because we are lying in the temperate zone, temperate weather conditions. So the sea trade also continues throughout the year in the Pakistan. So students, according to this geographical importance, we can say that Pakistan is having a great importance, great political, geographical, social importance within the different economies. So the importance of Pakistan cannot be neglected. Okay students, today's lecture is till here and we will start from tomorrow next. Okay, Allah Hafiz, thank you.